Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B12C6 signifies an electric steering lock switch CD monitor circuit failure in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. This diagnostic trouble code indicates a detected mismatch between the electric steering lock's ESL switch signals regarding the lock and unlock state. The body control module, BCM, which oversees various vehicle functions and components, including steering and security, captures and stores this error when it recognizes the abnormality. Properly functioning, the ESL ensures safe vehicle operation by allowing or restricting steering based on programmed lock states. The switch components involved are ESL SWC and ESL SWD. These components monitor and relay signals to the BCM, typically located within the cabin near the steering column. Identifying the precise nature of this failure is crucial to ensuring vehicle safety and operational integrity. DTC B12C6 emerges when the body control module encounters a mismatch between the electric steering lock signals. Specifically, it identifies an inconsistency between the ESL's lock-unlock state and the signals from switches C and D. The body control module serves as the vehicle's operation hub, integrating various input signals to ensure system coherence. Located generally within the vehicle's dashboard area, this module processes commands from the electric steering lock to ascertain safe operating conditions. The components affected by this issue include the electric steering lock, ESL, which directly influences steering behavior, and the lock switch signals, C and D, which relay vital operational information. Addressing this error promptly not only assures the vehicle's functionality, but also prevents potential safety concerns during operation. Several potential causes can lead to DTC B12C6. One primary culprit could be a malfunctioning electric steering lock itself. This component may fail to respond correctly to signals, thereby prompting detection of an issue by the body control module. Alternatively, the body control module can also be the source of the error, particularly if it is not processing the input signals adequately. Wiring issues are another significant factor to consider. Broken or corroded wires or connections can disrupt the signals sent between the steering lock and the module. These broken circuits can lead to false readings or no readings at all, thereby prompting the DTC to trigger. Thoroughly examining each of these potential failures is essential for effective troubleshooting. The symptoms associated with DTC B12C6 indicate issues with the vehicle's steering lock and its operational integrity. A common symptom is a malfunction of the steering lock. The steering wheel may lock unexpectedly, creating difficulties in vehicle operation. A warning light may also be activated on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem that requires immediate attention. Additionally, drivers may experience difficulty starting the engine, as the lock system can prevent ignition if it falsely recognizes the steering lock state as engaged. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial to maintaining vehicle safety and performance. If any of these issues are observed, it is recommended to proceed with troubleshooting to pinpoint the underlying cause. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B12C6 involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check the statuses of the electrical steering lock switches C and D. Begin by evaluating both switches to see if they are detecting the lock status correctly. With both switches off, the readings must align with expected values. This initial step aids in identifying whether the problem lies within the switch operations themselves. If one or both switches indicate failure, further inspection will involve testing and verifying their corresponding circuits and connections. It is essential to document these findings thoroughly. as they will guide subsequent troubleshooting steps. The second troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the electric steering lock switch C, ESL SWC circuit. Begin by ensuring that the electric steering lock connector and the body control module connector C are disconnected. From this point, conduct an open wire inspection for ESL SWC, which involves confirming that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance, indicating a good connection. Should any resistance exceed this threshold, it may reveal an open circuit that requires attention. Should the ESL SWC check out, this confirms that the issue lies elsewhere in the system, paving the way for further investigations in subsequent steps. It's critical to use accurate measurements for effective diagnosis. Following the inspection of the ESL SWC circuit, the next essential step is to examine the electric steering lock switch D, ESL SWD circuit. Similar to the previous step, disconnect both the electric steering lock connector and the body control module connector C to ensure safe handling. Conduct an inspection for open wires in the ESL SWD circuit, expecting less than 1 ohm, because this shows a viable connection. As in the previous step, if resistance exceeds acceptable values, this will indicate that an open circuit issue exists in the wiring. The findings in this step will further clarify whether the ESL SWD is functional or exhibits signs of failure, guiding future troubleshooting actions decisively. The fourth step in troubleshooting DTC B12C6 is to conduct a GND open wire inspection. Disconnect the electric steering lock connector to ensure proper access to the ground connection. In this procedure, verify that the ground wire has less than 1 ohm of resistance, confirming that the grounding is intact. A faulty ground connection can lead to a variety of issues within the electrical system, potentially causing the symptoms observed with the ESL. A properly functioning ground is essential for the entire system's reliability, since it allows all components to communicate effectively. Any resistance above the expected 1 ohm will necessitate further investigation into the ground wiring and connections for resolution. The fifth troubleshooting step involves directly inspecting the electric steering lock component. Since a direct method to test the lock is not available, the recommended approach is to replace it with a known good unit. Following the replacement, attempt to reproduce the malfunction associated with DTC B12C6. If the error and symptoms are resolved, this confirms that the original electric steering lock is indeed faulty. If symptoms persist, then further investigation into related components or connections will be necessary, as the problem may lie elsewhere. The integrity of the electric steering lock is crucial for steering safety, making this step pivotal to proper resolution. The sixth step in the troubleshooting process involves inspecting the body control module for faults and issues. This action is warranted only after confirming other inspection items are functioning normally, as a healthy condition in the switches and circuits suggests that the BCM is likely the issue. Should testing reveal that the BCM is faulty, it may require replacement or further repair to restore overall functionality. The role of the body control module is integral in managing various electronic components within the vehicle. Consequently, pinpointing a failure in this module can greatly affect vehicle safety and performance. Careful evaluation of the module and its connections is crucial in this phase of troubleshooting. Final repair verification is an important step following all repairs related to DTC B12C6. Upon completion of any repairs, it is essential to recheck for any remaining DTC codes to ensure that the issue has been adequately addressed. Use the HDS to perform a scan of the system and confirm that the previously triggered DTC is cleared. If the DTC code persists, you may need to revisit previous troubleshooting steps to ensure no underlying issues remain. Additionally, conduct a thorough inspection of the system's functionality by testing steering lock operations under normal driving conditions. This comprehensive evaluation ensures the repair was successful and the vehicle is once again safe for operation. Preventive maintenance is crucial to ensure ongoing functionality and reliability in the Honda Accord's electric steering lock system and associated components, thus preventing the reoccurrence of DTC B12C6. Regularly scheduled inspections of the steering lock components are essential. It helps in identifying potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. This practice can include wiring checks, ensuring all connections are clean and free of corrosion, and reevaluating the health of the body control module. Maintaining a routine helps in fostering a proactive vehicle maintenance approach. Moreover, timely replacements of aged components, especially in the electrical system, can improve overall reliability and performance. Preventive measures promote a trouble-free driving experience. In conclusion, DTC B12C6 relates to an electric steering lock switch CD monitor circuit failure in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. Understanding the implications of this DTC is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and functionality. Following the thorough troubleshooting process helps isolate and identify root causes effectively, leading to appropriate repairs. Each troubleshooting step is designed to systematically diagnose the problem, ensuring that all potential failures are addressed. Moreover, emphasizing preventive maintenance practices will avert future issues and enhance the longevity of the vehicle's systems. A proactive approach to maintaining the steering system and related components will keep the vehicle operating safely and reliably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!